Imagine diving deep into the ocean, and instead of just fish and coral, you come across something that completely blows your mind. A city, perfectly preserved, sitting silently beneath the waves. Or maybe you stumble upon a mysterious giant eyeball washed ashore. These aren't just fantasies, they're real discoveries made from the depths of our oceans. The ocean is like another world, hiding secrets we can barely imagine. And today, we're about to explore the weirdest and most bizarre things ever found in its depths. Welcome to Whatever World, where today we're diving into the most unbelievable and bizarre things ever found in the sea. From ancient cities frozen in time to strange creatures that leave scientists baffled. You won't believe what lurks beneath the surface. Stick around, because this is going to be a wild journey through some of the most mysterious and mind-blowing discoveries from the ocean's depths. Let's kick things off with the lost city of Heracleion. For over 1,000 years, this Egyptian city was thought to be nothing more than a myth, until it was discovered in 2000. Divers who found it couldn't believe their eyes as they swam through a forgotten world. There were towering statues, grand temples, and even everyday objects, all perfectly preserved under the sea. Imagine what it would feel like to stumble upon an entire ancient civilization, untouched for centuries, just lying at the bottom of the ocean. It's like something straight out of a movie. But the sea doesn't just hide cities. Sometimes, it throws up things that make you question reality itself. Take the giant eyeball that washed ashore in Florida. For example, this wasn't just a big eye, this was a massive eye, about the size of a softball. People were left scratching their heads, wondering what kind of deep-sea creature it could have come from. Sharks? Squid? Something else entirely? To this day, no one is completely sure. It's one of the ocean's strangest mysteries. And then, there's the story of the Harley-Davidson motorcycle. In 2011, after the devastating tsunami in Japan, pieces of debris from the disaster began drifting across the Pacific Ocean. But no one expected to see a whole motorcycle floating in the middle of the ocean. Eventually, it washed up on the shores of Canada, still inside the cargo container it was stored in. The bike became a symbol of resilience, a reminder of the lives and possessions lost to the sea. Let's not forget the strange things we find deep below the ocean's surface, like the pair of steam locomotives discovered off the coast of New Jersey. These two huge, rusty relics from the 1850s lie eerily silent on the ocean floor. How did they end up there? No one really knows. Some believe they were lost during a storm, while others think they were simply abandoned. Whatever the case, their discovery proves the ocean is full of surprises. And speaking of surprises, how about 28,000 rubber ducks making their way around the globe? In 1992, a cargo ship accidentally dumped thousands of these little yellow ducks into the Pacific. Over the years, they've been found washed up on beaches from Alaska to Australia. Ocean currents have carried them far and wide, turning them into one of the most unusual long-term scientific experiments. But it's not just modern items and toys that get swept into the ocean. Off the coast of Japan lies one of the most mysterious underwater structures ever discovered, the Yonaguni Monument. Some believe it's a natural rock formation, while others are convinced it's an ancient man-made structure that sank into the ocean centuries ago. The monument has steps, terraces, and flat surfaces, all suggesting it could be the remnants of a lost civilization. Whether it's natural or man-made, it's a mystery that continues to baffle scientists. And let's not forget about the ocean's monsters. For centuries, stories of giant squids were dismissed as sailors' tales, until scientists started finding real ones washed up on shores. These deep-sea creatures can grow up to 40 feet long, with massive tentacles and beady eyes that make them look like something out of a horror movie. Every time one is discovered, it gives us a glimpse into the mysterious and terrifying world. Goodbye, see you in next video.